Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel TNV Academy. In today's world, supply chains are not just about moving goods. They are about keeping them safe, reliable and visible from start to finish. But here is the problem. Most companies act after something goes wrong. A delay happens, a shipment gets lost or a cyber attack hit, and then action is taken. The future, however, belongs to companies that move from reactive to proactive supply chain security. They don't wait for a crisis, they predict, prevent, and protect. What does reactive versus proactive really mean? Let's break it down simply. Reactive security is like calling the fire brigade after your warehouse is on fire. Proactive security is like installing a smart fire detection and suppression system that stops the fire before it spreads. In supply chain terms, reactive means dealing with theft, delays, or cyber breaches after they occur. Proactive means predicting risk through data, AI, and preventive controls before damage happens. Now, why supply chain security matters more than ever? In today's global market, a single disruption can cost millions and damage a brand's reputation. The threats are growing every day: cargo theft, counterfeit goods, cyber attacks, unstable suppliers, natural disasters, and even political disruptions. So a secure supply chain isn't optional anymore, it's a strategic advantage. Now let's have a look on the steps that are to be followed. Step 1. Start with risk intelligence. Proactive supply chains start with awareness. Companies must map their entire supply chain from raw materials to last mile delivery. Use risk intelligence tools to identify weak links. Where is the highest theft risk? Which suppliers have low reliability? What routes face frequent delays or cyber threats? This is the foundation for moving toward a proactive system. Step 2. Build predictive capabilities with data. The secret weapon of proactive security is data. Use IoT sensors to monitor shipments in real time, predictive analytics to forecast delays, machine learning to identify unusual patterns like unauthorized stops or tampering. Data helps companies shift from "we didn't see that coming" to "we saw it and stopped it early." Now, step 3. Strengthen your security network. Supply chain security is not one company's job. It is a team effort between logistics providers, manufacturers, and IT teams. Implement ISO 28000, the global standard for supply chain security management. Train staff regularly to detect red flags. Use access control and smart surveillance systems in warehouses and vehicles. A proactive mindset means everyone from driver to director plays a part in protection. Now, step 4. Embrace cyber-physical security. The modern supply chain is both digital and physical, so your security must cover both. Use strong cybersecurity measures for logistics, software, and tracking systems. Protect physical assets through GPS tracking, smart locks, and biometric access. Conduct penetration tests and vulnerability audits regularly. Think of your supply chain as one connected organism. If one part is weak, the whole system suffers. Now, step 5. Build a culture of proactive security. Technology helps, but people make it work. Create a security-first culture where employees are alert, informed, and accountable. Encourage quick incident reporting, security awareness training, and regular communication between departments. When people know how to react, they can help prevent risk in the first place. Step 6. Continuously monitor and improve. A proactive supply chain doesn't set and forget. It is a continuous improvement cycle. Measure performance, review incidents and near misses, update security protocols, learn and evolve, regular audits, supplier evaluations, and technology updates. Keep your system ready for new challenges. Be ahead, not behind. The supply chain of the future belongs to companies that think ahead. Being proactive means predicting risk before they happen. Using data as your shield, building trust with partners and customers. In the new era of supply chain management, you don't wait for trouble, you prevent it. So if your company still reacts to problems instead of preparing for them, it is time to shift gears. Because in the future of logistics, proactive is powerful and reactive is risky. Be smart, be secure, and be proactive.